Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is my Mark 1 Caddy, which I'll be restoring. So the plans for the vehicle is I'm going to do engine conversion. At the moment it's a 1.6 diesel and I'll be putting a 1.9 TDI engine in there. I've already bought it, just need to get a couple things for it, like the shifter mechanism, but that'll be for another video. As you can see, I've already labelled some of the wires and pipes on there just in case I need them for down the line. So I'll just give you a quick overview of the car and show you the work I've already done on it. Unfortunately, I had these videos already recorded, but my SD card failed and deleted all the videos by accident. So I'll just give you a quick overview on what I've been doing. So as you can see, I've already undersealed the car. I've done the front and the back and it's been lowered. So the back is on a flipped axle and lowering block, and the front is on coilovers. The front and back have already been undersealed. I've done Gravitex Raptor and sprayed to the colour of the car. So I went for this cream off-white colour. It looks quite nice, shiny. I've lacquered on top of it and I've got some coilovers on the front. Moving on to the inside of the vehicle. So the floor pans are quite solid. There's no work to be done on them. There's no rust or holes on them. They are a little bit bent out of shape in the middle here, but they should be okay. The dashboard is in original condition. There's not too much wrong with it except from it's a little bit broken here. Probably put a nice new CD player in there towards the end, and clean up the wires for the fuse box because they are all over the place at the moment, so just make them a bit more cleaner. There's no cracks in the dashboard, which is very surprising. Moving on to the back, I've put a new bed in. So I removed the old bed and welded it across. I should have a couple videos of it from my phone, so I'll be able to put that in. So it needs to be seam sealed all the way across, and then the back will be ready for paint hopefully. The back bulkhead has been changed. When I first got it, it was all rusted across here and basically hanging off. So I bought a new replacement panel and welded it in from here and the other side. So looking at the whole car, I've epoxy primed it already just to keep it from rusting while I'm working on the car. Also, I'm going to respray the engine bay when I take the engine out, so that'll be coming up on future episodes. So this is the Mark 1 Caddy that we'll be working on. If you like this video, be sure to like, comment and subscribe, and also don't forget to put notifications on so you know when I upload anything new Caddy related. Thanks a lot for watching guys.